remember. Now, the 5 kingdom classification is proposed by whom? Once more, COMED के exam हो, NEET UG exam हो, JIPMER exam हो, AIMS exam हो, Whittaker 5 kingdom आप भूलना नहीं चाहिए. So Whittaker is the one who proposed 5 kingdom classification. Once more, JK common entrance test में भी same question. Classification which is based on evolutionary characteristics. For example, monkey से chimpanzee, chimpanzee से human being, we have evolved over a period of time. Finally, we lost our tail. Our brain has improved. We started thinking as human beings. What is that kind of a classification there based on their evolutionary relationship? किससे कौन पैदा हुआ? उससे कौन पैदा हुआ? So what is that basis called as? It is called as phylogenetic classification is what you should remember. So, feet में, in the spine, you have vertebrae. So, all those organisms are vertebrates. What are they? Sharks. Why sharks are placed in vertebrae? Vertebrata, because they also have got vertebrae. Then, if they have a skeleton made up of bone, उसके basis पे, among the fish, the ray-finned fish are being placed because they have a bony skeleton. 4 limbs होने के वजह से amphibians, frog came into amphibia. Then amniotic egg का तैयारी करने के वजह से primates and rodents and rabbits, all of them, the common thing is they all produce an amniotic egg. Amnion रहता है, egg रहता है. But hair होने के वजह से primates हो गया, hair नहीं होने के वजह से the rabbits have come over there. They got separated because of the hair. But what is common to both of them? Amniotic egg. Then a egg with a shell, वो produce करने के वजह से crocodiles and birds are being placed into the same group. So this is an example of phylogenetic classification is what you should remember. Phylum होता है Greek language में tribe. एक tribe को phylum बोलते हैं. And phylogenetic, gene means that is the genera or origin. So phylogenetic classification. So if you look at the classification, 5 kingdom classification is a famous classification of Whittaker. What is the fundamental basis of this classification? If you look at all organisms, first he has checked whether they are prokaryotes or eukaryotes. If they are prokaryotes, unicellular, they are called Monera. Eukaryotes can be unicellular or multicellular. अगर unicellular है तो वो बन गया Protista. Multicellular cell wall है या नहीं है? अगर cell wall नहीं है तो they became Animalia. And अगर cell wall है तो photosynthesis कर पाएगा या नहीं करेगा? So अगर करे तो photosynthesis उसको कहते हैं Plantae. अगर photosynthesis नहीं कर पाए वो saprophytic है but not photosynthetic, then they became fungi. So this is how the classification of the organisms of 5 kingdoms. Now, as per Whittaker's classification, once more, Kerala PMT exam में पूछा था एक क्वेश्चन. Whittaker classification में एक organism eukaryotic cell है, multicellular है, cell wall भी है, nuclear membrane भी है, और it also can do heterotrophic nutrition. So, what do you like to call this as? This is a fungus. क्यों? क्योंकि fungi are saprophytic. They are heterotrophic. So, इसलिए it is fungus. But if you only say they are eukaryotic, multicellular and autotrophic, then the answer would have been the Plantae, right? So that is what you should remember. Once more, students, you should remember Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. मेरे साथ बोलो, cell type prokaryotic कहाँ होता है? Monera. Everything else is eukaryotic. Very good. Then cell wall is not cellular. Monera, present in some in Protista, but present in all fungi and Plantae. And Animalia may once more there is no cell wall. Then body organization, organ system is only seen in Animalia. Then mode of nutrition, auto and also hetero is Monera and Protista, whereas fungi are heterotrophic, Plantae are autotrophic, Animalia are heterotrophic. This is what you should not forget. Now, once more JIPMER का क्वेश्चन है, हाँ, 2013 में, phenetic classification is based on what? Observable characteristics of the existing organisms. सारे चीज जिसको टेल है उसको एक ही जगह पे लाए तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Phenetic classification is what you should remember. 5 kingdom classification जो किया था उसमें Chlamydomonas and Chlorella, where are they included? So both of them are included into the Protista. So first let us understand what is Chlamydomonas, what is Chlorella. If you look at the green algae, they are called chlorophytes. Okay, इसमें two types of things you can see. One is Chlorella, other is Chlamydomonas. समझ में आ गया ना? Now, if you look at these Chlorella or Chlamydomonas, basically, they are all unicellular. What did we study before? Protista का organisms क्या होता है? Unicellular, are all Protista. Very good. They both are unicellular. Chlorella, Chlamydomonas, Carteria. There are 3 members in this. They are all unicellular. Green algae. Then, why the Chlorophyta, in which you have these 3, is called Chlorophyta first of all? Because they contain the chlorophyll, which is the green pigment. That is the reason they are called Chlorophyta. So, if you look at Chlorella, what are the 3 things in Chlorophyta? Chlamydomonas, Chlorella, Carteria. So, Chlorella is a unicellular algae and Chlamydomonas is a unicellular flagellate, is what you should remember. The main difference between the two. Flagella किसको है बोलो? Chlamydomonas को, there is a flagella. So, unicellular flagellate is Chlamydomonas. Unicellular algae is Chlorella, is what you have to basically remember. And why the Chlorella is important is, all our knowledge today about photosynthesis is because of the experiments done mainly on Chlorella. That is the reason you should remember. Then अगर chlorophyll है, photosynthesis हो रहे, then why did you not keep them in Plantae? Is the very, very important question. Because both of them are unicellular. They are not multicellular. And they both are eukaryotic. And if you look at the kingdom Plantae, what did we study? Kingdom Plantae में खाली जो organisms जो multicellular है, जो photoautotrophic है, खाली those organisms can enter into Plantae. इसलिए Chlamydomonas and Chlorella दोनों को Protista में बिठाए. Instead of putting them in the Plantae is what you should ultimately remember. Now, the Whittaker's 5 kingdom system of classification may, among this, which is not there. Easy question. Algae is part of it, fungi is part of it, bacteria is part of it, but not viruses. That is what you should remember.